This is my drawing of a cute Halloween ghost, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up toward the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top of each eye, we'll draw a small circle coming down for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom area of the eyes in black. Along the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center and add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. Go back to the left side, we're going to open up the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's add a curve across the middle for the tongue, and we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Let's give our ghost a hat. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to add a wave. We're going to go up, come down, and then curl that back up. Let's draw the side of the head. Underneath the hat, we're going to step in, goes around, and then down. Now we're going to bend this out towards the hand. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around the eye, come down and out towards the hand. Let's round up the hands, coming around, and then bending that in towards the body. Let's wrap that thick brim around the head. We're going to start from the left, going out, come around and in. Now we're going to follow this wave, going across. Let's round up the hat, and then bend that back in towards the side. Let's line up with the left side of the head, over on top. I'm going to bend the hat, going up, then across. I'm just going to bring this hat, we're going to bring this down, towards the bottom, towards the tip. Let's fold the end, bring that up and then in. Now let's line up with the right side of the head above the hat brim, bend this up underneath that fold. Let's add a ribbon across the top, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. And I'm just going to trace the inside of this buckle. Now with the body, we're going to swing this over towards the right side. So from the bottom of the arm on the left, we're going to step up, curve the body, coming down and across. And then we're going to add a wave across the bottom. Just working our way out towards the right. And I'm just going to bring this back up underneath the right arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw our Halloween ghost. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.